The 32nd Annual Woodstock Woodworking Show, Canada's largest woodworking event, returns this weekend at the Woodstock Fairgrounds. For the hobbyist or professional, stroll through acres of tools, machinery, exotic woods, and much more. Pick up valuable woodworking tips from the experts. Attend seminars by Canada's best woodworkers. And don't miss the Ontario Wood Carving Championships. Come see Paul and Jacob from HGTV's Carver Kings live. Sunday includes a car show and automotive swap meet. The Woodstock Woodworking Show returns this weekend at the Woodstock Fairgrounds. Visit woodshows.com.